Hey everybody, it's Ron Hutchins and welcome to Tap Online. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you guys for dropping by. This class is designed for students that begin at the age of 8 all the way through adult. Just FYI, little experience wouldn't hurt you to take a part in this class. This is the first of a 3-part series, so stay tuned in the next couple weeks for the other 2 parts. Have fun, and again, thanks guys. So welcome to my first tap video, and today we're going to just learn like a little basic warm-up, and then I'm going to put the warm-up to a little metronome thing, and we're going to go from there. It's pretty basic. It's going to work with the ankles and work with our shuffles and our flats and a couple ball changes, and I'm just going to swing right through it, and I think you're going to have a good time, and I know you'll have a good time. So let's get started, and I hope you have a good time. Now, this will be the only part of my face that you will see at this point in the video and at the end as well, as I have to show you my feet. So I hope you have a good time, guys. So we're going to basically start with warming up the ankles. I'm going to turn around and face the mirror and pick up my trusty sound machine, and we're going to go from there. So before we use the metronome, we're just going to learn what it is. We're going to start with our right foot, and we're just going to tap our front tap. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 together. Then we do the same thing on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to do 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4, side, 2, 3, 4, back, 2, 3, 4, side, 2, 3, together, 4. Left, 2, 3, 4, right, tap, back, 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 2, 3, 4, side, 2, 3, together, 4. Then we're going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, together, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, together, 1, 1, 1, together, 1, 1, 1 together, 1 together, 1 together, 1 together, 1 together. Now, this is 100 beats per minute on our metronome, and I think we can just go for it and see where we land. You may see my cat Bongo walking in the background. Bongo, get out of the picture. Ah, isn't he the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life? Bongo, get out of the picture. 5, 6, ready, go. Four, 1, 2, 3, together, 4, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, together, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, together, 1, together, 1, together, 1, together, 1, we got, and 1, 2, 3, together, 1, 2, 3, together. Ah, how do we do? Great. Now we're going to work on our shuffles. And the shuffle always ends in the air. So you're going to brush the front part of your tap, and it's going to go front, back, brush, brush. And it doesn't get any weight. So you have shuffle, So the combination goes like this. Shuffle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, left side, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the side, and together. And then we're going to add a ball change with it, but we'll stop before we get to the ball change. Here's our shuffles with the music, with the metronome. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, shuffle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. So, boys and girls, welcome to Tap 2 with Ron Hutchins. Hopefully, Bongo will not make an appearance this week, but if she does, just say hello to her with a big, happy meow. Last week, we did the Savion Glover time step. This week, we are going to add paddles to that. They're called paddles or paradiddles, and it's pretty easy. It's a 4-step count, so I'm going to turn around and show it to you, and then we're going to add it to the combination from last week. How you doing this week? Hope everybody is safe and fine and healthy. Here we go. So, we start with paddles, and it's basically dig, spank, step, heel. That is dig, spank, step, heel. Dig, spank, step, heel. Now turning to the side, we have dig, spank, step, heel. Dig, spank, step, heel. Now let's turn it around. We start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are paddles or paradiddles. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, you've got dig, spank, step, heel. Dig, spank, step, heel. So what you do that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're called paddles or paradiddles. Again, 5, 6, starting on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dig, spank, step, heel. Dig, spank, step, heel. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So you do that 4 times. Then we do the break. The break is fairly easy. It goes dig, spank, step, heel, step, heel. Dig, spank, step, heel, step, heel. 7 and break. Dig, spank, step, heel, step, heel. 7 and 8. Dig, spank, step, heel, step, heel. Putting it together with the first part, you have dig, spank, step, heel, 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 step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel. So you do the dig, spank, step, heel 4 times, it's 5 times. Dig, spank, step, heel, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel. So that's right, left, right, left, right. Putting it together with the paddles into the break, you have 4 paddles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Break. Dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel. Which leaves the left foot free. Let's put that together again. Paddles, here we go. Dig, spank, step, heel. That leaves the left foot free to do the combination on the right. Dig the left, sorry. Dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, break. Dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel. So again, on the left you have dig, spank, step, heel, 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 dig, spank, step, heel. Putting them together, you have right paddle, right break. Left paddle, left break. 5, 6, 7, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, left side, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel. 5, 6, right, here we go. Faster, 5, 6, 7, it goes.